Welcome to the Carson Career Amplifier mobile app tutorial. In order to complete the requirements for the Carson Career Amplifier, you will need to log into the suitable platform on either your computer or through the mobile app. This tutorial will cover the mobile app for Tier 1 students. After installing the app on your mobile device, you will be prompted to sign in using your WSU email address and password using the same single sign-on that you use for MyWSU and Blackboard. After signing in, you should be brought to the home screen. The best way to see your requirements is through the Achievements tab, which is the icon with the star on the bottom of the app. From this basic view, you can track your overall progress. Please note that this is an admin view. When you are logged in, you will only see the respective Career Amplifier track, which will either be Tier 1 or the Crimson Pathway. Let's go ahead and select Tier 1. For each tier, there are several badges that you need to complete under the Requirements section. For Tier 1, there are 3 badges: Collegiate Foundations, Discovery, and as you can see, I have already completed one, which was Community. Let's go back to the Requirements page. Here, you can click into any of the badges and you will find ways to satisfy the requirements for that badge. Let's look at Tier 1 Collegiate Foundations. In Tier 1 Collegiate Foundations, there are 2 requirements to complete this badge, and you can see I have already completed 1 out of 2. To complete an activity, simply select the activity to find more details. Let's look at Tier 1 using your resources. After selecting it, you will see that it states that you must complete 1 resources workshop. Below, you will see a list of options to complete this activity to fulfill the requirement. If you scroll down through the options, in-person and virtual events that are happening in real time will be at the top, and other options that you can complete at your own pace are listed towards the bottom. You can browse through these to satisfy the requirements, but if you know of an upcoming event that would satisfy the spirit of the assignment, we have a general upload option where you can select a form to petition to have the requirement satisfied. Let's go ahead and look at the general upload using your resources. Now that we're looking at this activity, you can see the directions for how to earn credit. It states submit your Form A or appropriate attendance documentation describing the resources workshop you went to or how you used your resources. Let's go ahead and click on the Form A link. This will take you to the Carson College of Business Career Amplifier website, where you can find a list of all of the forms that you need for the Career Amplifier program. Since we're looking for Form A, let's select that. As you can see, this form has sections for you to fill out and complete. This may be easier for you to complete on a computer instead of your cell phone, but this all depends on your mobile device. Let's go ahead and navigate back to the suitable app. In order to submit your file, you can scroll down and there's a button that says Complete and Claim Your Points. If you select this, it will open up a space to add a submission description, and there's also a red box to choose file. This is a really great option if you can take a picture or screenshot on your phone. If you select Choose Your File, it will link to your photo library. Depending on your device, it may be easier for you to enter your submission if you are logged into a computer, as it is easier to complete Form A and other fillable PDFs on a computer instead of a mobile device. Now, let's navigate to the world icon where you can browse upcoming events. This section will list all upcoming events in chronological order. If you want to filter your results, you can select the arrow tab at the top of the app. There are 2 additional icons that I will quickly review. The bell icon is where you can find announcements promoting events for Amplifier or important deadlines that are coming up. This is why it's important to have notifications turned on and to check this section regularly. Last is the award icon. This is the leaderboard where you can see how many points you and others have earned. At the end of every academic year, the student at the top of the leaderboard will receive a scholarship. If you are active on campus and in the Carson College of Business, make sure to submit your engagement through the suitable app to earn points. This will make it more likely that you can earn a scholarship next year. That's everything you need to know to get started with the suitable app. If you have any questions, feel free to go to the Carson Career Amplifier website or email ccb.amplifier@wsu.edu.